Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. This class is for Breach course, Standard 4th, Subject Maths. This class is for Semi-English Urdu students. Dear students, today is our second day of Breach course and today we are going to learn identification of geometrical figures. We learned geometrical figures in our previous video. We learned geometrical shapes. Now we are going to learn the edges and corners of the geometrical figures. Are you ready? Let's start. Dear students, look at the picture below. Which shape identify the geometrical figure. This is the shape of and write its name. Quadrilateral. Look at the screen. Shape of window is have given many pictures. You have to identify four edges and four the shape of the picture corners. And do you write their name These and are draw the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are four edges of this quadrilateral figure and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are four corner of this window or four corner of this quadrilateral. Understood? This is first corner, this is second corner, this is third and this is fourth. When we join these corners with like this, what we get? We get quadrilateral. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the edges of the quadrilateral. Understood? Very good. Dear students, observe this book. How many edges does the book have? This is one edge, this is second edge, this is third edge and this is fourth edge. How many edges does the book have? The book have 4 edges. So, how many corners does the book have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 corners of this book. It means this book have 4 corners. So next question is, what is the shape of the book? The shape of the book is rectangle. What shape is it? It is rectangle. Rectangle has 4 corners and 4 edges. Understood? Yes, very good. Dear students, take A4 size paper or notebook page. Whatever you have, take A4 size of paper like rectangle shape and fold the paper to join edges like this. You will notice that the edges on the longer length match each other. What you will notice? The longer edges match to each other. And then open it and match the shorter edge of paper. What you will observe? The shorter edges also match to each other exactly. It means opposite sides of rectangle are equal length. Understood? This is the opposite side of rectangle and this is the longer side of rectangle. This is also opposite side of this paper. Opposite sides to rectangle has equal length. Opposite sides of rectangle has equal length. Remember this. Understood? Dear students, take a tissue paper or square shaped paper as shown on the screen. Observe the paper. Fold the paper as shown in the video like this it means you have to fold the paper like this. You will notice that the front corner match exactly with each other. This is the front corner of the paper. This match exactly each other like this. Look at this paper. This front corner match exactly each other. Now fold the tissue paper again like this. What will you observe? You will get a small triangle as shown in the video. You will notice that all the corners and edges match each other exactly. When we fold it, what we found? We find that the corners of front corners are matching exactly each other. When we fold it again, we get small triangle, and what we observe that all the corners and all the edges match each other exactly. Isn't it? Right. It means all the edges of square are equal length. Understood? The edges of square are equal length. Dear students, look at this picture. Which shape is it? It is triangle. Observe the picture and answer the question. How many edges are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 edges. How many edges? 3. And how many corners are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 corners. You notice that the triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Understood? Yes, very good. So dear students, which figure is this? This is circle. Observe the figure carefully and answer the question. How many edges are there? One curved edge. The circle has one curved edge. This is the one curved edge. Understood?
Yes.
How many corners are there? There is any corner?
No.
No. So dear students, remember this point. You notice that the circle has only one circular edge and the circle has no corners. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Dear students, practice corner. In the practice corner, you have to join dots and draw or make square, rectangle and triangle. There is one rectangle is here. So you have to draw square, rectangle and triangle. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Dear students, what we learned today? Today we learned this. Can you describe two-dimensional shapes with the help of edges and corners?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Let's try to solve it. Draw 3 figures having 3 sides and 3 angles. Draw 4 figures having 4 sides and 4 angles. Draw 3 figures having a side and no angles. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, you have to draw 3 figures having 3 sides and 3 angles. It means you have to draw 3 triangles. What you have to draw? 3 triangles. Draw 4 figures having 4 sides and 4 angles. It means draw squares or rectangle. And draw 3 figures having a side, no angles. Means you have to draw circles here. Understood?
Yes.
So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of edges and corners of different figures. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.